effort doon, and we are showcasing yung show na to, yung hindi lang yung yung mga magagandang tourist spots doon sa area na to, because we are also showcasing entrepreneurial skills ng bawat lugar. Like sa napitaan namin sa Albay, pinakita yung mga local products na nagagaling mismo sa Albay. Cagayan de Oro, we went to, kasi meron kasi 1 pound 1 shop. 1 pound 1 product. Pinupunta natin sa global. So these are local products. In Cagayan de Oro, we also went to the shops and yung mga local products na naibibenta. So we are also helping yung mga MSMEs, yung mga micro small businesses. Kasi ang Pilipino ay entrepreneurial by nature. Diba? So wala naman yung kaibahan doon because we are showcasing the true capacity and potential of every Filipino in every district. And we're also showcasing yung mga magandang lugar na pwede puntahan, ano yung pwede natin i-boost sa turismo ng ating bansa. So sa palagay ko, hindi naman yung sa palagay ko, yung wala naman yung kaibahan doon. We're just very proud that we have so much potential in terms of tourism, in terms of potential local economy that we can boost. And basically, to link one another with one another. Sabi nga kanina ni Kong Pao, we are moving from the north to the south. We are an archipelagic country, and we have so much to go to syndrome. We have so much to offer. Hindi lang sa ating mga foreign tourists, but even ultimately our local tourists. Tourism really can boost economy.